Volume profile shows you where the most trading happened, not when, but at what price, and I'm going to show you how to read it. As you can see, we have the fixed ranged volume profile tool right now on our chart for the last couple of months. A horizontal histogram has appeared on the left side of our chart. Each bar shows how much volume traded at that price level. The longest bar, as indicated by purple, is called the point of control, also labeled as the POC. That's the price where the most trading happened, also the market's fair value for that period. The shaded zone around the POC is the value area. I've indicated this with the darker green and the darker red in a shade of magenta almost. This is the 70% of all volume. Prices inside the zone are accepted by the market and prices outside are usually rejected. Now onto the high volume nodes. These are the long bars. They act as magnets and price returns to them. Low volume nodes, the short bars, act as fast zones. Price moves through them quickly. Once you see a chart this way, support and resistance stop being lines that you're just guessing at, but now they're levels that the market itself voted for with money that you now know. Have a great day, guys.